One day, Rafiq's mother asked him to help her do their weekly grocery shopping. His mother told him to bring along a trolley to ease him in picking up the bought items. On his way back home, with his trolley full of groceries, he encountered a problem. He was having problems in picking up his trolley to climb on the stairs. At that moment, he came up with an idea on innovating an Omni-Terrain wheels. The working principle of the Omni-Terrain wheels are: as the trolley approaches the stairs, the lower wheel will hit the stairs and acts as a pivot point. Then, the top wheel will hit the stairs. When both tires are on the wall, the trolley will easily go up. The tires will go over the edge and the cycle repeats. This way, the trolley can easily climb on stairs or any uneven surfaces. He also wanted the trolley to be folded and portable, so it can save storage space. He began sketching and came up with this. He then designed his ideas on the Autodesk Fusion 360 and created this. His design includes a foldable base trolley, foldable Omni-Terrain wheels, and also foldable handle. The selection of parts for CAM machining process are the tire ring. Materials being used are aluminium. The process involves smoothing, milling, and drilling. First process is the face mill. He uses a 50mm diameter, 6mm fluid length of face mill to smooth out and remove the uneven surfaces on the square aluminum block for a better and easier fabrication. He then proceeds to the end mill process. This process is for the cutting of the components to the desired shape. He uses a 10mm diameter, 30mm fluid length of bull nose and mill for the milling process. The next step is the hole drilling process. A 10mm diameter, 80mm fluid length of drill is used to drill the 10mm diameter of the 4 holes. The last process includes the finishing, where he uses a 10mm diameter, 40mm fluid length of flat and mill to finish. This is to create the final surfaces on the finished parts. He then generated an NC code for manufacturing process in producing the parts. final product is shown. He then figures out what are the further improvements that he can do for the future. Number 1. Better lift capacity. Number 2. Lighter materials. Number 3. More foldable. So now, Rafiq has developed a shopping trolley that can go up and down stairs, curbs, and steps with ease. The trolley can also be folded and stored in confined space. He can now buy more groceries as the maximum weight that the trolley can carry is 70 kg. He is now happy and can't wait to tell his friends and mom about his new inventions. Thank you.